Thanks again for tuning in. Right now I'm tracking some spotty isolated rain on Wink Live Doppler 3X as it is working its way to the northwest at about 15 and 20 miles an hour. Nothing severe, nothing powerful. I don't even have any lightning, but that doesn't mean can't bring you some moderate to heavy rain for areas of Northport. I timed this out, working its way towards the high school and then eventually Glen Allen Elementary, specifically as we hit 6:39. Also, a few more showers south of South Gulf Cove, right over the water, as those as well will be making that trek towards land, and then both north and south of LaBelle. And there's one now in northeastern Collier County with some pretty good rain with it as it works its way through. Now, this is all ahead of a storm system cranking up across the country. There have been multiple reports of severe weather around Louisiana into Mississippi. The northern side, snow, sometimes blinding conditions and low visibility. Now, this entire storm system moves east, and that is what tomorrow brings us a chance of rain during the afternoon and evening hours. Right now, we're looking good temperature-wise in the mid to upper 70s. You probably have noticed that breeze. And if anything gets even windier for tomorrow, I'll show you momentarily why I would not be surprised if we see some gusts upwards of 30 to 40 miles an hour. So here's the outlook, 70s and then 60s, definitely a mild above average night in terms of temperatures, as we will see in the short term some of those isolated showers. We get a break during the late evening and overnight, and then for tomorrow morning, if you blink, you miss it, a couple tiny areas of rain will be possible. Now, most spots are dry in the morning, temperature-wise mid to upper 60s, partly cloudy with a mild breeze. Now, if you want to avoid that good chance of rain during the afternoon and evening hours, make those plans as early as you can. Tomorrow's going to be a ponytail or extra hairspray type of day. Look at the winds gusting upwards of 30 and even 40 miles an hour. Now, thankfully, that wind energy, the better ingredients for severe weather, should be contained well to our north. So that's at least one less thing to worry about for tomorrow. So let's talk about the potential for a few showers in the morning, and then the main timing I'm thinking is going to be 1 o'clock and beyond. So there's that thin line as it works its way through, kind of breaking apart a bit as it makes that trek down the coast at 3, 4, and 5 across Charlotte, Lee, and all the way into Collier County. And you can see here, because of the quick duration of this line, it's not going to be a tremendously big soaker, and the rainfall projections have not changed today, as I'm thinking about a 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, if that, after it is all said and done. And here's a look at how much rain we need just to get back to normal for dry season standards. So I really think the rainfall tomorrow will only scratch the overall deficit. After the front, drier air moves in. You can see the drop in our dew points Thursday, Friday, as most spots will be in the 40s for your chilly Friday morning. After that, we target a high of 78 degrees, 80s return for the weekend. Yes, we have the time change on Sunday, and then another opportunity for rain as the winds crank up by Monday.